Taragi Cheisu, in collaboration with Youth for Peace International New Delhi, organized a 4-day workshop on youth leadership development in conflict transformation and peace building at Manipur University today. The primary objective of the workshop is to provide a common platform for civil society organizations, CSOs, to work towards restoring peace in the state. Chairman of Taragi Cheisu, Khaide Mani, Vice Chairman P. Sonamani, Member Noktin Ishori and R.K. Nimai, among others, attended the event. The event also provided an opportunity for 40 selected individuals from various organizations and institutions to engage in extensive discussions with external experts, which will focus on exploring strategies to effectively manage conflict, promote trust building among different communities, and facilitate restoration of peace in the state. Speaking at the opening day, Chairman Khaide Mani highlighted the significance of the initiative in facilitating discussions on crucial topics relevant to public. Co-founder and CEO of Youth for Peace International, Soumya Agarwal, expert in peace building process, Alexa Tabwada and Manat Dhillon will participate as experts in the workshop.
Taragi Cheisu na chinba numit marini gi youth and training for conflict transformation for peace building. Santi purna bahona wada conflict ki transformation ase masigi darkar lei bapot ase khare hen chasina khangna ba workshop ase pangtok pani tongan ba organization aduge education institution singi mioi nifu khatang khangalaga mapandegi amasung manungdegi leiba training instructor adu makhang herbe expert singna la eraga karmai tona conflict situation amada akoina karmaina mayok nagani adu madu karmaina peace building da purna bahona bada akoina kari taugani haiba khangdaba yadaba adugumba mage maruiba mayamdo madugi kupna neineraga maduna amka mayamdo sandokpa yanana bagi damta workshop ase organize tawbani.